Wake up! Hey, you're doing breakfast. Jesus, Pete. You look awful.
You're no oil painting yourself.
Well, if you say so.
Oh. Oh, let's eat.
Hey, get in here. Look, for God's sake, I'm hungry. Who is he?
I was hoping you'd know.
Well, wake him up. Get him out of here.
He's dead. Did you hear what I said? I said he's dead.
Jesus. Why?
Why what?
Why us? I mean, he could have just...
What?
What are we going to do with him? We should call the police.
No. I think we should just bury him.
You're joking.
No, I'm not.
What the hell are you talking about?
Trust me, Susie. I know what I'm doing.
I'm not burying him. We don't even know who he is. You can't just go around burying old vagrants because you feel like it. I mean, someone may actually want to bury him. I'm going to call the police. I can't believe you don't...
I found this letter.
Christ. How did he know your name?
How the bloody hell should I know? But it says my name. I've got to deal with this.
We can let someone else deal with this as long as it's decent. Let me call the police.
No! Look, he wants us to handle it.
Us? You?
Okay.
Well, is there anything on him? A wallet?
That I don't know.
Uh-huh.
Are you going to help me?
You never do whatever the hell I ask you. Why'd you suddenly fall to the beck and call of a total stranger? And a dead one at that.
Because I'm a shit. Because it's Sunday and I feel guilty about not going to church for the 5th year in a row. How the bloody hell should I know?
Are you sure about this? I can think of better ways of spending my Sunday morning. You don't want to wait until dark?
Look, we're here now.
We're here now. We're burying a man we don't even know in broad daylight.
Susie, why don't you just go home?
I'm sorry. I said I'd help. It's just... Do you think it'd be easier if it was someone we knew? I mean, I can't imagine burying Mum if she died. I think she wants to be cremated anyhow. We'd have to throw her onto a bonfire. Sorry, Mum. Still dead. About what?
Hey! So how are things on your mountain? Found any buried treasure recently?
Still looking, Al. Still looking.
Hey, I had a guy in here just the other day. Tried to sell me these pills that make you...
Look, you're a sweetheart. But I think there's someone down the other end of the bar waiting for a drink. Bet he's lied to his girlfriend from time to time.
I did know him, Susie.
You were joking. When did you meet him?
Yesterday morning. I remember thinking how cold my feet were.
Good morning. Good morning.
Look, why don't you piss off and stop annoying me?
Anywhere in particular you'd like me to go? Mind if I ask you something?
I'd rather you didn't.
Can you think of any good reason why I shouldn't throw myself under the next train that comes along?
Talk to your friends. I don't know. Watch television. Blind date.
Have you got any friends I can talk to? Because mine aren't particularly interested.
I shouldn't imagine anyone's friends would be particularly interested, let alone mine.
How do you know?
Oh, just a wild guess. Look, just leave me alone. Look, is it money you're after?
Oh, you are younger than you look.
I'm sorry. Why didn't you call the Samaritans? They help people like you.
People like me? What do you know about people like me?
Not enough, clearly.
Clearly. So you work on Saturdays?
Well, somebody's got to.
Very good. A walking charity. I knew I'd found the right person. How is that great big heart of yours?
Look, will you get your festering hands off?
Oi, don't you want to stop and watch? There's only a minute to go, assuming the train's on time.
I'll watch from the other side, thank you. I hope I didn't wake you.
Jesus Christ!
I want to apologise for earlier on today. I gave you a bit of a scare.
I should bloody think so.
Let's sit down, my friend.
Hey! Wait a minute! How the bloody hell did you get in here?
I'd like to talk to you again. I mean, I pulled your leg a little hard today. I'd like to make amends. After all, I wouldn't want you to think that it was a trick.
Why would I think that?
Because I made you think so.
You made me very angry this afternoon.
Why?
I don't know. Because I thought...
What?
I felt sorry for you, I guess.
Are you sure it was for me? Oh, it's all right. Would you like some of my potion? Best whiskey money can buy. More?
No, thank you.
I've had this watch for 60 years. The only one of its kind. Hasn't lost a second since it was made. As far as I know, it's the most accurate watch in the world. I want you to clear your mind, Peter. I want you to imagine that you're looking in the reflection in a mirror. You will start to feel the light surging energy in your blood as it slithers through the passages of your veins. It is such a good feeling. You will feel a taste at the back of your mouth like a drop of lemon. Just let it slip down your throat. And when it is gone and the sweetness has returned, open your eyes.
I can't remember what happened after that. I can't remember anything.
You think you killed him?
After the way he got to me at the station. Oh, I don't know!
Look, Pete, he didn't look that bad. He looked as though he'd just died.
It's not how it feels.
Let's go home. Al? Your coffee's disgusting, and we're not coming back.
See you later, lovebirds. Hey, stud! It's not the end of the world.
We need to get away for a while. Seriously.
Why me? Why did he pick me? It was as if he'd singled me out.
Because you're gorgeous.
Because I'm a bastard.
Well, that too, of course.
Because I was waiting for a bloody train.
Wish you wouldn't leave this on when we go out.
I didn't. You know, I really thought he was going to kill himself at that station.
Do you feel the taste in your mouth? It's a good
What's
taste.
this?
Now I want you very
Leave
slowly
it.
to open your eyes again. Look at the world around you. Breathe in the air and let it filter through you. Feel your heart pulsing. Look at yourself
him,
and
Susie.
see that you are totally alive in this world.
That's good, Peter. Now I want you to imagine that you're on a railway line. There's a train in the distance. You can hear it, but you cannot see it because the fog is too thick. Can you see the fog, Peter? Good. I'm standing behind you, so you can't see me. The train is coming. When it comes, it will take us with it, if we cannot rise above it. It wants answers, Peter. Can you see that? When the train comes, it will come with such speed that you will not be recognizable to anyone who knew you. You will not even be recognizable as a human being. Do you want to be remembered, Peter? No, you don't, Peter. You want the train to wipe you from memory. The train is the world, Peter. You can see that, can't you? The train wants you on board. It wants to stop, but you have to make it.
How?
You tell me, Peter. You tell me why the train should stop.
I don't know. Help me.
I caught the train today, Peter. It stopped. I know you think it wiped me from memory, but it didn't. I am here. Oh, you're going to have to be quicker than this. Talk to me, say something.
I don't like you.
What do you like?
Not you.
Well, that's too bad because I like you. Do you like yourself?
I like clean peaches. Cold from the fridge.
Good. What else?
What else? I like new shirts. Ink pens. I like writing with ink pens.
This isn't good enough, Peter. This isn't going to stop the train. The train isn't slowing down yet.
Football with my brother. Making love to Susie is best in the morning when the light comes through the window. Licking her skin.
What about you, Peter? The train wants to know about you. Who are you?
Tired. I'm tired. I want to change. Shout. Love Susie more. Speak to my dad. Make him listen. Stop the train.
You have to stop the train, Peter. Tell me why.
Stop the train. Stop the train and go somewhere.
Where do you want to go, Peter? If the train stops, it has to know. Where are you going?
Anywhere.
Is the train stopping, Peter? Can you see it?
Yes. Stop. 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 Stop!
The train's stopping, Peter.
Yes.
The train's stopped. Do you want to get on board? Go somewhere?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes. Scotland. India. The pyramids. The hanging gardens of Babylon. Everywhere.
That's good, Peter. You can go upstairs now. Go upstairs to Susie. Goodbye, Peter.
Goodbye. Perhaps we should dig him up, inform the police, do something.
Are you sure?